Statue of famous people who died. Diego Maradona, Nablus. Kobe Bryant, California. Marley Monroe, USA. Bruce Lee, Hong Kong. Michael Jackson, Manchester. Diego Maradona, India. Charlie Chaplin, London. Muhammad Ali, Egypt. Jesus Christ, Brazil. John F. Kennedy, Ireland. Sidhu Moseala, India. Diana Princess, United Kingdom. Tupac Shakur, USA. Mother Teresa, India. Albert Einstein, USA. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, India. Alexander the Great, Greece. Ronald Reagan, Hungary. Pele, Brazil. Subhash Chandra Bose, India. Mustafa Kemal Ataturk, Turkey. Elvis Presley, Germany. Steve Jobs, Hungary. Bob Marley, England. Martin Luther King Jr., USA. Freddie Mercury, Switzerland. Jose Rizal, Philippines. Mahatma Gandhi, India. Fidel Castro, Mexico. Abraham Lincoln, USA. Elizabeth, England. Vladimir Lenin, USA. Joseph Stalin, Berlin. John Lennon, England. Mao Zedong, China. Sukarno, Indonesia. Nikola Tesla, USA. Thank you watching for this video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.